Hi there, today we're making puppets. These puppets are a bit tricky, so I recommend grades 2 and above. The first thing you have to do is you have to find a sock. I recommend using an old one that you don't like very much. After you found a sock, put the sock on your hand and use a marker to make tiny dots on where you want the eyes, nose, and hair to be. Now you can fold the sock over so that you can see your dots and start deciding what you want your puppet to look like. Once you have decided what you want your puppet to look like, start gluing the features down with your hot glue gun. For example, I did my eyes first, and then I put on my pom-pom as a red nose, and I had to add extra glue to the pom-pom because I needed a bit more because it was a bit unstable. Then I cut my pipe cleaners in half because I wanted to use them for two things. The first thing I wanted to do was make it as hair that stood straight up because I wanted my puppet to look a bit silly. And then I used the other set of pipe cleaners as a mustache slash teeth inside the mouth of the puppet. So I opened the puppet and I glued it down inside. But make sure you make yours unique and how you want it to look. Once you're done gluing, put your puppet on your hand and make sure it looks like you want it to. Make sure you give your puppet a name and let them have a funny voice. It makes it all the more fun. My puppet's name is Walt. Thanks for watching!